Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Nepal and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Although Nepal has made progress since the end of its civil war, human rights concerns persist, especially regarding political repression, discrimination, and abuse by security forces. There are ongoing reports of arbitrary detention, torture, and excessive use of force by police, particularly during protests or against marginalized communities. The transitional justice process for Civil War-era crimes has stalled, leaving victims of enforced disappearances, war crimes, and sexual violence without justice or reparations. Dalits and indigenous peoples face structural discrimination in education, employment, housing, and access to justice. Despite constitutional guarantees, caste-based violence remains common, and local authorities often fail to act on complaints. Women and girls experience domestic violence, child marriage, and human trafficking. Legal protections are weakly enforced, and many victims are pressured to stay silent or accept informal settlements. Nepal legally recognizes a third gender, but LGBT individuals still face significant discrimination, harassment, and limited access to healthcare and legal services. Social stigma is strong, especially in rural areas, and same-sex relationships lack formal protection. Returnees may be stigmatized or targeted, especially those who fled political persecution, escaped gender-based abuse, or engaged in activism abroad. In some cases, families or local actors may threaten individuals who challenge traditional roles or left due to caste or religious discrimination. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.